C. The floor is yours.
Thank you very much. My name is Bàrbara Roviró, and I speak on behalf of the Catalan National Assembly, a grassroots organization defending the right to self-determination of the Catalan people. Situations where there is systematic denial of the rights of minorities and therefore potential conflict is not something exclusive of non-European states with non-democratic values. At present, the civil and political rights of minorities are being violated within the EU, concretely the rights of the Catalans by Spanish authorities. Labeled as a national minority in early 2020 in a report by the UN Special Rapporteur on Minority Issues, since 2017, the Catalan people and its peaceful democratic movement for self-determination have been criminalized by Spanish authorities, going as far as using anti-terrorist laws against peaceful activists and jailing civil society leaders for calling for peaceful protests, as well as elected representatives representing millions of voters. This systematic campaign of repression has been denounced by the United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detention and the Council of Europe, among others. However, the recommendations given by these international organizations have been for a great extent ignored by the Spanish authorities until today, as hundreds are still suffering the consequences of lawfare. The fact that Spain, an EU member, disregards recommendations and mechanisms proposed by international instances to de-escalate the conflict and respect Catalan minority rights has not gone unnoticed by authoritarian states in other parts of the world, like China or Turkey, who have used this case to justify their repressive actions, therefore setting a dangerous precedent. For all these reasons, the Catalan National Assembly calls on UN authorities to take measures to make sure that Spanish authorities stop their political persecution against Catalan political representatives and activists, respect the fundamental rights of the Catalan minority, and engage in a real political negotiation to solve this political conflict. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.